We are here at Taj Mahal.
With shoe
So
cover?
you what shoe cover?
Yeah,
Actually, with without shoe cover, they will not allow us inside. So we are thinking of taking 250 rupees ticket, which will allow us totally inside to the Taj Mahal. 50 rupees ticket, though, like it will be like you need to see the Taj Mahal from far off place. I mean, they will stop far behind that, and we need to go and we need to just see and come back. That though, like we came till here from there. So why to stop just because of money? So I thought of taking 250 rupees ticket and going inside the Taj Mahal. Ajesh, hi. Pavan and Avinash. We are here at Taj Mahal. So as you guys know, they will not allow private vehicles inside near to the Taj Mahal. So the buses just dropped us in the parking lot, which is 700 meters from the main gate of Taj Mahal. Here we have electric vehicles facility too. We can opt for that also, but as it is very near, we thought of coming by walk. So near the booking counter, we will be having these QR codes also. Here you can just see the queue line here. So it will take a lot of time if you join, stand in the queue line and take the ticket from there. So it's better if you do it online. It will be booking. It took us only 5 minutes to book the tickets, and we are going in now. And again, we have kept the reporting time at bus at 1 p.m. today. So let's see. So we again took one more guide here at Taj Mahal. So he is charging 250 rupees per whole group. Finally, so it's always been one of my bucket list of places to visit in India. I am here now at Agra Taj Mahal, so which is also known as the seventh wonder of the world. So I am just going inside it. Feels really excited about it. So this is the entrance of Taj Mahal, and that is where the main Taj Mahal is. Entrance. So if you just see here towards all this, these are the 200 rooms here. So whoever comes to visit Shah Jahan, they used to stay there. And there we have over on the top 22 tombs. The reason for 22 tombs is Taj Mahal, they took almost 22 years to complete the construction of Taj Mahal. So at that time they used to count using keeping those tombs, all those tombs, 11 this side and 11 on the other side. That's what the thing is. And the backside gate which you are seeing here is of labor's gate. Those 20,000 laborers who worked to construct this Taj Mahal, they used to come from this gate and they used to do the work and they used to leave. That's what.
Now you can see the door. Now it's metal, like brass.
So this used to be gold at that time, but again the British people removed all that gold, and that door is also used to be gold also. They removed that too, took everything and kept brass in place of that. So finally we are here at Taj Mahal. It was the seventh wonder of the world. Finally I am here at Agra Taj Mahal. Towards the left, so where they will again verify our tickets for going inside the Taj Mahal. So we need to again verify now. So this is the other side of Taj Mahal. This is mosque. As we are going in, we should wear that foot covers. Okay. So in order to maintain some neatness inside the Taj Mahal. So that is the main point of it. We entered from the front gate, and after seeing all that Shah Jahan and Mumtaz ka Samadhi, so we are out from the back gate. So once after coming out from the back gate, this is how the view is. So we'll be having Yamuna River ka view as well as on the right and on the left I will show you the Agra Fort ka view too. So that is where the Agra Fort is, and this is the Yamuna River, right? So we usually learn more about pollution at Yamuna River and all, right? But now I can visually see it. There is a pollution at Yamuna River. Shit. First time I'm going to touch Taj Mahal. Woo. Just feeling this seventh wonder of the world. Are just see, idanతా marble ra. Are the marble. So done with Taj Mahal, and I'm also like done with today. So I have to first have something because morning breakfast which I ate, it's now completed. So I'm just going back to bus and I'll just sleep for some time. And from the last 2 days I'm not having proper sleep actually. I got disturbed sleep cycle. So all these people are somewhere, I don't know where they are. But I'm done now. I'm going back to bus. Bye bye Taj Mahal, until next time. One last time I'm just having a sight at Taj Mahal. Route which we have entered. So this is their exit and this is where we came and we entered like this and went inside. So from here we need to go again out. So you can see the top view of tomb of Taj Mahal. So actually I entered from Westgate. So near the Westgate, this is the booking center I have shown in 2 hours before, right? So here we have cloakroom facility also. So I'm already out and I took now this time I'm not going by walk because I already said right I'm out of energy. So I just sat in this electric vehicle. We are back to the same hotel. So everyone is having their lunch here. So we have food serving here. We'll be having our lunch and we'll be moving towards Mathura now. So it will take us 1.5 or 2 hours for sure till we reach Mathura temple. So these are all the things we are getting here. So finally after all things, we started to Mathura at 4 p.m. on today. Easily I think surely it may take us 1.5 or 2 hours to reach Mathura and half an hour there. And then from there to Shimla 12 hours. I will go. Almost on the way to Mathura, and we just stopped here at a Reliance petrol pump to fill the fuel. So I mean, of course, diesel pump too. So they are going to fill full tank now. So Yashasvi also got down along with me. Just like for a refreshment, I got down the bus. She also came down along with me. So basically we are here at Mathura Sri Krishna Janmasthan. So we are going inside the temple now. So we all have So just now completed our visiting of Sri Krishna Janmasthala temple. Really had a very great experience here at Sri Krishna Janmasthala temple and very peaceful one. And we went just after Harati happened, and that too like after Alankarana. It looked really awesome. I mean idol and all. So it was really peaceful for 30 to 35 minutes. Near the highway dhaba. So after having some dinner kind of stuff, we will be moving towards Shimla. So almost more than 500 kilometers is left, and now the time is 9 o'clock. I hope we should reach by tomorrow 8 a.m. If that is the case, then only we can able to cover according to our plan at Shimla. I hope we are going to do that safely.